We're gonna take a little boat ride. Steve has this mad backing ability unlike anybody I've ever met. When towing a skier, you want to make sure that you nail the throttle all the way from the get-go.
Does that work?
No.
No? Okay.
You're going to start out on your tummy.
Okay.
And as the boat pulls, I want you to think about putting your butt towards the sky. So you're gonna go like this.
Okay.
You're gonna stay in this nice tuck position till you get your knees here. Then sit up, pull these back, and you can grab the rope.
It says risk of injury or death. How did that go, buddy?
It went really good. I was just saying cut when it started to get really, really choppy.
So we went down to the lake to go boating, and as I'm pulling in, I noticed that their Durango is parked in a handicap spot, and it has a boot on the front wheel and a ticket on the window. So I go down there and I'm like, your Durango has a boot on it. So the boat is stuck in the lake until they could figure out what's going on with the boot on the Durango. Either that or we used the Jeep to pull the boat out. So I'm gonna go talk to Steve in a few minutes and find out exactly what transpired, but he did get the boot off. I don't know. I know he was talking to a ranger or something, so.
He looked mad.
We'll have
Really mad.
Very mad.
Please, fishies, come on. I heard on a movie that if you have bananas on your boat, your fishing will be bad luck.
No bananas on the boat, ever. Get all the bananas off the boat. Are you serious? All the boat. I told you I had bananas. Get on the boat. Get the banana off the boat. All the bananas. I just told you I had bananas. You guys get that on film?
Did anybody bring bananas?
Did you have fun, Dakota?
Yeah, I had fun.
So we have been staying at the Blue Mesa Outpost RV park here outside of Gunnison, Colorado. This was a really fun time for us. We had some family and my parents in particular that met us here with their RVs. So we've just enjoyed a really fun time with the family. So this is a smaller RV park. There's only 11 RV sites. They do also have cabins that sleep 4 and 6 people. And then there are also some tent sites as well. All of the RV sites are full hookup, so that's wonderful. We've been able to have all of our usual amenities, even though we're in more of a mountain or rugged type setting. We've also had the boat along with us this weekend, which has been a wonderful time. And again, just hanging out with family. This particular RV park also has a game room. They have a laundromat and a shower house as well. So you've got the usual amenities that you would hope for or want in an RV park. They also do have Wi-Fi. Cell service is a little bit on the spotty side, but you can at least get service. You can still at least receive phone calls, texts, and download, emails, things like that. It just moves a little bit on the slow side. So it's a beautiful, beautiful setting. Blue Mesa Reservoir is just right here. There's several different boat ramps. The Blue Mesa Reservoir is really, really large. So there's lots of different areas to come in and off the water for fishing, paddleboarding, kayaking, speedboat, pontoon, anything you'd like to do on the water. It is right here for your enjoyment. So we've really had a great time. The campground hosts have been very hospitable, very, very friendly. And just overall, we've really enjoyed our visit here at the Blue Mesa Outpost campground, which is again, just outside of Gunnison, Colorado. So why should somebody choose Blue Mesa Outpost over some of the other RV parks in the area?
Well, not only did I look at almost every RV park in this area, I stayed at a lot of them. And I've stayed at a lot of RV parks nationwide. The biggest selling point here, it's, you know, not even a selling point at all, it just comes with the territory. And that is the lake right behind us. This is the biggest body of water in Colorado, but one of the most beautiful bodies of water that I've seen nationwide. And besides that, to top it off, we are the closest private campground to the lake. So no other private campground here is as close to this. And just 1 mile from this is a boat launch. So it's really just an all-inclusive area.